Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a close look at the Portronics Todd 1 wireless mouse, a budget-friendly, stylish and lightweight mouse. This budget-friendly mouse has been gaining a popularity and I wanted to see if it's actually worth it.
Inside the box, you will find the Todd 1 wireless mouse itself, along with the user manual, a warranty registration card, and a USB Type-C charging cable. Let's look at the key features.
With Bluetooth 5.3 and 2.4 GHz receiver, it gives you freedom to connect to 3 devices simultaneously. With a built-in rechargeable battery, you will never have to worry about replacing AA cells. The Todd 1 gives you 6 buttons convenience. Extra buttons means more control on your multitasking. With the adjustable DPI button, you can now adjust the sensitivity of the mouse on the fly. With multiple device pairing, you can seamlessly switch between your laptop, desktop or even tablet, all with one mouse. Last but not least, the dynamic RGB lighting effects add a stylish glow to your desk setup, making it not just functional but also fun. Now let's check out the RGB lighting controls. By sliding the power button to position 1, you can turn on the dynamic RGB lightings. You can see the lights are on now. And if you slide the same button to position 2 on the extreme right, it will turn off RGB lights instantly.
With a simple press of the connectivity mode button, you can pair up to 2 Bluetooth devices along with one device using 2.4 GHz USB receiver, giving you seamless connectivity with a total of 3 devices. Now let's pair the first device. I'll start by enabling Bluetooth on my system. Once Bluetooth is on, I press the connectivity button on the Todd 1 wireless mouse. A banner appears on the screen indicating the device is ready to pair, and just like that, it connects instantly.
If you want to buy this product, the link is in the description. Please go ahead and buy it. Thank you.